estimate 3 and 1/7 plus 2 and 6/7. Now, we're here to estimate. We're not looking for an exact answer. So 3 is 3, great, but 1/7 is a number that's awfully close to 0. When the numbers are super far apart like this, like 1 over 7, that number itself, that fraction, is closer to 0 than anything else. So 3 and 1/7 is basically like 3 and nothing else, so we'll call it 3. Now, 2 and 6/7 has 6 over 7. 6 and 7 are both kind of big numbers, and they're close to each other. So this number, this fraction, is more like 1. So 6/7 is kind of like a high decimal. So 2 and 6/7 round up to 3. And so my estimate is going to be 3 plus 3, which is 6. So the estimate 3 and 1/7 plus 2 and 6/7 is going to be close to 6.